Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jarisa and I make cleaning videos, DIYs, home makeovers, and also lifestyle. Today I will be sharing lots of cleaning motivation. We're also going to be wrapping some presents and decorating the front porch and a lot more. Stay tuned because I will be sharing the rules for a giveaway that I'm gonna be doing. I will be giving away $100 on PayPal cash, so stay tuned throughout the video because I will be sharing the rules and I'm also going to list them in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you enjoy content like this. Thank you so much for watching and let's get into the video. First, I'm going to start in the kitchen. This is where I always like to start because I can't think straight when I have a bunch of dishes here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean the dishes. I'm gonna put everything that is clean away and I'm gonna keep on loading the dishwasher. This dishwasher is like a part-time job. I also had a couple of things that I had to clean by hand, so I'm just gonna do that real quick and then I'm going to do the bottles and I'm gonna move into cleaning the sink. Let me know how you clean your bottles. I recently started cleaning them by putting them into the dishwasher. I just didn't trust it. Like, I felt like it wasn't gonna be clean enough. But now I only put them in there and they come out squeaky clean. I wish I would have been doing that earlier.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
And now I'm going to be cleaning everything inside the sink. I always do this because I don't like when these things, collect grease or anything like that.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
I also wanted to ask you, what are you doing right now? Like, usually when I'm cleaning, I watch other YouTubers clean because it keeps me motivated and it gives me a lot of energy. And I also wanted to tell you that you are doing enough. Never feel like you're not cleaning enough or anything like that, because taking care of a house is a lot of work. And I know that you're doing awesome just as you are right now.
Who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
Now that I'm done with the sink, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to dust everything, especially these things on top. You guys know that I always like cleaning them. I'm just gonna clean the backsplash and the countertop, and then I'm gonna be moving into the floor.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once.
So I recently started using this little vacuum that his aunt gave us. I've had it for 2 years, but I wasn't using it, and I love it because I can just turn it on and I can keep on doing my dishes and mind my own business until this thing is done. And then I just go at it and clean the floor after it's done. I love this little thing. This is my new best friend.
To just be nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know.
And this is what it looks like after it's been cleaned.
It's toxic, babe.
Okay guys, I'm back again. These are the rules for the giveaway. As I said, I'm going to transfer the money through PayPal and I will choose the winner here on YouTube, and I'm also gonna share it on my stories on Instagram. So the rules are very simple. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Then you need to like this video and leave a comment. Please only leave one because it opens more space for more people to have a chance. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Jarisa DIY. And then you're going to take a screenshot of this video showing that you watched it and just share it on your Instagram and tag me on it. This is everything that you have to do, very simple, and I will choose the winner on December 21st. I did it this date so more people can enter. Thank you so much, and share it with your friends so that they can have a chance of winning too. Now I'm gonna be picking up in the living room. I have some laundry to put away, and I'm also gonna be undusting. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to clean the floor.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
I also had a lot of packages here in the entryway. I was showing you this wreath that I'm gonna be using a little bit later, and all you can see here is just a bunch of decorations and some presents that I have bought. So I'm just gonna go through everything to see what I have, and then I'm gonna move into cleaning the floor.
Go on, blow up your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
If you haven't watched my Christmas tree decorate with me, I'm going to link it up here so you can watch it. We had a lot of fun decorating the tree and the house, and I love how it turned out. Let me know what theme you chose for this Christmas.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key.
I look at this tree every day and I'm so in love with it. I also wanted to show you this little ornament that we made with Zoe's little hand the first year that she was born.
Where you heading?
Now I'm gonna be moving into wrapping the presents. I wanted to get some presents for Zoe that will help her develop and just that she could use for learning. I'm also gonna be using this really cute wrapping paper that I got from Amazon. I love it. It has such a big variety of designs. They are very beautiful. They have something for every taste, and I got these two sets. They come in a set of 3 and they were only $14. I'm gonna see if I can link them because last time I checked, the pink one was sold out, but I think they have some other ones. For her presents, I was inspired by some drawing presents. You know, like when you were a kid and you were drawing presents and you always put the little bow on top. I wanted to do something like that, but just a little bit more minimalistic or simple. So I just went ahead and wrapped it like you normally do. And then I went ahead with this yarn that I had here in the house. I felt like it turned out so cute. I just love that it has a little design in there and it's really easy to do. It just gives it a really pretty touch. I also got her this little set of buckets that she can use for counting, and she loves stacking things on top of each other. So I just felt like it was gonna be a really good idea. It also wasn't expensive. I'm going to list the presents that I got for her in the description box in case that you're interested.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in.
And then the last thing that I'm gonna be wrapping is this little set of books. She loves writing the books. The only thing is that she likes biting them, like she destroys them. She basically starts chewing on them and just makes them mush. Let me know if your baby does this, because I don't know why she likes biting on these things so much. They don't really last that long because of that, but I still get them for her.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Now I'm gonna be working in the porch. I just wanted to do something a little simple here so people could see that we actually like Christmas. So I'm just gonna be cleaning a little bit, and then I'm going to add a couple of details here.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs.
For the door, I got this wreath from Walmart. It was only $17, and I just love that it's flocked and that it has the little red ribbon. I feel like it looks really cute with that white door.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold out.
Then I use this mat that I got from Amazon, and on top of it, I'm going to put this one that I got from Target. And it actually bended because I had it in a bag for like a month and I didn't take it out. But this point is perfect, but at the beginning it did look a little crooked there.
And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
I just went ahead and cleaned the lamps, and I used these little ribbons that I got from the Dollar Tree.
Presents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.
Now I'm going to be working into this area, which is where I work and where I'm sitting right now editing this video. And I'm just going to clean the table, pick up a little bit, and then I'm going to clean the floor.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
After I'm done with the floor, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this window because Zoe loves leaving her fingerprints in there, and then I'm gonna be done in here.
I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel.
Now the last thing that we have to work on is the patio. If you haven't watched my patio makeover part 1, I'm going to link it up here. I love how this floor turned out. As you can see, the floor is still holding pretty well. I have a lot of things left to do here, but I just had so much going on with the Christmas decor. So I'm just gonna be brooming everything and taking all these leaves away because it rains so much in here that we always have a lot of those.
Faces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
It was actually so cold this day. This is why I'm wearing so many clothes. It was down in the 40s, which is abnormal for Florida, but I guess it was cool because I got to wear these clothes. And this is everything that I had to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and I will choose the winner on Monday. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.